wristband with that drop kick.
Here, just go ahead and give me those last two 20s and I'll just do the 4 even.
Okay, but I'm gonna ask.
Selfish
GoPro and cell phone, it's crazy.
Hey, it's good, man. I miss you.
Okay, I'll be your new flight attendant.
What do
Welcome, come aboard.
Is that wrong? What is that wrong?
It's literally a sleeping pill.
Is it a sleeping pill, Ryan?
100%.
Is it? I think it's Xanax. I really think it's Xanax, guys. This man might be popping Xanax.
Never done a Xanax in my life.
Are you sure?
It is a white people drug.
It is. That's what I'm saying. Dragon Ball Z shirt on. Ooh, DBZ. Ooh. The water. Uh-oh. Bro, you're like a music producer. What it do, baby?
Wagon
They go
watchers.
way down.
That's why.
This is Ryan. Ryan, do you have anything to say?
Nothing.
Okay, that was a little awkward.
It's rocking.
It's all fun for the guy who can't swim falls in water.
I'm gonna be good. I'm tall. Where the monkeys at? Literally sitting on a rock. Hi, Kev the editor here. Yeah, it's like 12:49 at night and I just got stuck, so sorry y'all. Back to regularly scheduled Tev's travel vacation, whatever. I'm gonna stop now. So sweet.
Big ass rock.
So cool. Fuck your gift.
It has little shoulders.
That's when you sound real bougie back.
Oh, you're on my foot, motherfucker. You asshole.
It feels slow.
Yo, watch out, sweet. Action! Action!
She gone. Is that mountain gonna be in our background? Wait, I thought we were doing the other one. Are you recording right now? Never.
Get in the ring right now! 600, get in the ring! Get in the ring right now, Kitty!
Eight hours later.
A puppy.
Oh, sorry. Sorry.
She said, run that. Come on, Kenny.
You come here for holiday. Why you so cheap, Charlie?
Play a game with her. Play a game. What's the game?
What? I give you free. I'll win you one.
I'll take the deal.
Wait, what's the game?
Rock, paper, scissors.
You
Best
you
two out
do
of
it rock,
three?
paper, scissors.
Best
for
two out of
$100.
Best,
Who's the
Two out
best?
of three?
best of three.
1, 2, 3.
You shoot on three.
1, 2, 3.
Ah.
1, 2, 3.
That man got hustle quick. God damn. Why he get hustle so quick?